Hey guys, so I got a quick video on a 2018 Mazda cx5 to reset the service soon light after an oil change or after a service. Same procedure works for a couple of years. I think it's from 2014 to 2020. Could be a little bit up and down. As for same for these models cx3, cx5, cx9, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and a couple other ones. So very simple procedure. We're going to use this dial and we're going to reset it over here. On the older cars, it used to be on this display, but on this one, it's going to be on this display. So we're going to turn the dial left, go to applications, press it down for enter. Then we're going to go to vehicle status monitor, maintenance, press down, rotation, reset, and then press this back button right here. Same on this one, reset. And as soon as you reset, you can see the message over here has disappeared. You can always turn the car off, start it back again just to make sure it got reset properly. So hopefully this helps. Very simple procedure, no special tools are needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.